Good afternoon. Welcome to the 5 p.m. update for the severe thunderstorm threat for Thursday, June 19th, 2025. So right now, we're going to focus primarily on this radar image. And what we're going to focus on is this area of thunderstorms here and this area of thunderstorms here. These thunderstorms associated with the cold front will be approaching northeastern Pennsylvania. The instability might decline a bit and allow for these thunderstorms to weaken. We'll touch on that in the hours to come. But right now, I really want to zone in on these two areas. First of all, this area, as you know, we have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere and it's producing some severe thunderstorms, but also some very heavy rainfall. So, right around the New York City metro or on the northern side of Long Island, we're going to have to really be concerned about flash flooding becoming more and more of an issue as this thunderstorm complex runs into a more stable atmospheric environment on Long Island. Meanwhile, down towards the Philadelphia metro, trouble is brewing. Let's zoom in on these thunderstorms here. And this is a setup here. You can see a lot of lightning. Remember what I said this morning? Watch out for bow echoes. Well, we're starting to see that symbol starting to show up out here as this thunderstorm complex is moving towards the Philadelphia metro into the north of Wilmington. So where is this going? Well, let's pull up some additional data. It's really cool on WeatherTap. Going to pull up the storm tracks here, and I'm going to pause these storms, and you can see where everything's heading. Now, these different colors are different type of storm structures, okay? And right now, we don't have any sign of any type of mesoscale lows forming, which is good news because that limits your potential for tornadoes. But there is certainly a lot of support for enhanced rising motion with these thunderstorms. And notice they're pretty much all moving towards the Philadelphia metro, central New Jersey, and southern New Jersey. This is all part of the northern branch of thunderstorms that was moving through Washington, D.C., portions of Virginia, Maryland, and heading towards the Delmarva Peninsula. So this feature is what we're going to be watching for impacts for the evening rush hour for the Philadelphia metro, central New Jersey. This I-95 corridor area right around Cherry Hill is going to get very nasty just in time for the evening rush hour, which is starting right now. As we move on, the impacts are going to decline through 5 p.m., 6 p.m., and 7 p.m. And these thunderstorms are going to be capable of very heavy rainfall. The potential for, we just got a tornado warning just right now as we were talking. Let's refresh this real fast and see if we can find the cell that is associated with this. We'll click the warning right now. And there's a tornado warning for North Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, and southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Looks like there is at 5:02 p.m. a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Landenberg, or 7 miles north of Newark, moving to the northeast at 40 miles per hour. Newark, Delaware, by the way. This has a radar indicated circulation, and locations impacted are expected to be Wilmington, Newark, Westchester, Chester. So you can see this is going to be a pretty nasty storm that is starting to develop here. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit more. That's why you gotta love the live coverage. And again, you could see the development of the structure here, the bow echo, and the circulation on the southern side of that bow echo. Like we discussed, if there was going to be a tornado, it was going to develop around the I-95 corridor, and that's exactly what we're starting to see. So this line means business as it invades the region. So please use caution, stay safe out there, and if you get trapped in one of these storms, please find coverage and get off the roads, because this is going to be a nasty situation. And again, you can tell the intensity of the storm by the amount of lightning you have here, the heavy downpours. Just a very impressive storm overall, getting ready to impact the region. So we're going to continue to monitor these storms as we move on through. We'll have our next update in an hour, and hopefully by the time we get within that hour, maybe these storms will be a little bit weaker. But again, it's going to be a rough rush hour as these storms move through. So stay safe out there.